Gong practice 251. Today is Sunday, January 24th, 2021. Currently 8:11 p.m. for me. Getting my gong practice in. Today was a great day. I woke up, had some green tea with some shilajit in it, and I got some jobs bid. I sat in front of my computer and worked for like 4 hours, I think. I don't know. Just had some jobs to get bid, get some scheduling stuff figured out. And then I went in at 4:30, had an hour and a half of yoga. It was a great yoga session, a reminder from my teacher that you are enough, you do enough. Like that's the message, is that like, don't be so hard on yourself. We only have a day at a time, and there's only so much that can be done in a day, so don't overwhelm yourself with tasks. When you're in a moment, enjoy that moment, be present in the moment. Don't be thinking about everything else. Just be. That was all just great lessons today in my yoga class, and feel really thankful and grateful for having an awesome, divinely guided teacher. So thank you very much, Taylor. And then I just made dinner, just made some vegetables. I chopped up a bunch of vegetables I had soaked earlier, chopped it up before yoga, so it was all ready to go. So I have just 2 different types of mushrooms, broccoli, some sweet peppers, zucchini, and onion, just all chopped up, ready to go to just throw in and make a dish. I just had that, and it was great. Great way to break a 20-hour fast. I like to always practice yoga on an empty stomach. They say you should not eat within 4 hours of doing yoga. I just say, well, whatever yoga is, I'm not going to eat beforehand. So if yoga's at 4:30, then I'm not eating for the day. I just get a better connection to my mind, body connection, better stretch. Anyway, that was my day, and now it's time to practice and get my gong practice in and help keep myself centered, help keep the energy flowing, help me stay who I am. And just play, be a child, make some noise. We're here, right? What are we doing with our lives? Let's do something fun. Playing is fun for me. I just record it because why not? Well, because I want to share. I want to share the sounds with people because the gongs changed my life. It's amazing what they can do. You can go ahead and YouTube search, or you can just search blood cells, sound bath, something like that, and you'll see what the sounds are doing. They're moving stuff inside. We are highly energetic beings. We're full of energy. The essence of us is a light. They say, the light inside of me honors the light in you. That's like yoga talk, but it is that there's light, there's an energy source, there's our soul, an infinite ball of energy, whatever you want to call it, it's in there. It is power. And that's what's inside of us, and with that energy, the gong helps everything come back together, help everything flow the way it's supposed to flow. You get your chakras all lined up, all 7 of them, get kundalini energy flowing. You feel the raw power that's inside of you, and you know that this is all just an experience, a human experience. And in time, these bodies are going to give out. Everybody's body is going to die. But it's okay, because what's inside goes forever. We'll return to the earth to be food for something else, as everything else is. Everything that lives will die and help nourish something else that's going to come from it. It's just the cycle of this planet. But the energy inside is bouncing around wherever it can go, come back to this planet, perhaps as another individual, come back as an animal. It can go to a different galaxy, multiverse, universe, parallel. There's so many different things it could go to, different times, because time is not linear. It's forever. It's a circle. It never stops. There's the made-up concept. It's an illusion. This whole thing is no different than a dream, really, when you break it all down. It's just a waking state of a dream where it seems real. You start understanding these things, and this is all stuff that's come to me. The gongs help my realizations of things. It's not all just from the gong, but it's all part of it. Everything is in divine order because it needs to be the way it is. And the gong I practice because I believe it's going to help awaken people. It's helped change my life. It's helped keep me centered, and it's helped other people as well that I know. I've played for my family, my sister. It's helped her. So there's just there's magic in it, and I just want to share it. Just here world. This is what it is. This is what I believe, and it could be completely crazy. It could be skewed. It could be seen as absolutely just nutty talk. What are sounds gonna do? But you look at what Nikola Tesla said. You gotta think. You want to understand the mysteries of the universe. You gotta think in terms of frequency and vibrations. What is sound? It's frequency and vibrations. What are we? Energy, frequency, and vibrations. There's a code to all of this. This life can be so beautiful for everybody. It can be so harmonious. Everything could be at peace 100%. It can be like that today. If everybody just saw what we are, realized who you are, realized what can be done. Limited only by our thoughts. We're infinite. We're forever. We are forever. This is just an experience, and with this experience I just want to share my gong playing. My gong practice. So it's 30 minutes. Go ahead and close your eyes. First, before you close your eyes, you turn off your cell phone, anything that may distract you. You want to get out crystals or candles or incense or sage or essential oils or whatever it is that you want to get to create your own little healing space. You're ready to receive the sounds, do that. Get yourself all set up. If you do your own type of energy work, channel some Reiki, get some light energy coming in. Do whatever it is that you want to do, and then just let these sounds aid in your own healing, because it's just going to be played with the same intention I always play with, which is love. I just want to put positive vibes out there, talk about raising the vibration of the planet, physically making sounds as they hear, here planet, here I am. There's still love in the air. Let's hear it. So you just go ahead and lie back, eyes closed, noise canceling headphones if you have them. Like I said, turn off your cell phone or anything else that may distract you. And you focus on your breath, and do not resist anything you feel. If you feel like you need to sneeze or cough, or your body wants to move around, you get little pulses of energy, just accept it. Let your body do what it does. Let the sounds move through you. Be part of the sounds and let them move through you. That's the trick. You don't want to resist, and you're here for the sounds. If you're listening, talk for 7 minutes and 34 seconds, you might as well stay here for the full 30 minutes and take this in, because it is amazing. I promise you that. I wouldn't lie, because there's no reason to. This is an experience that I know will end, so I'm going to make it the best possible experience, and that is by being the best possible me, and the best possible me need not lie. There's no reason to bring anything out that's not truth. That's how I feel, and for me, this is the truth. This gong, magic, there you go, that's the truth, magical sounds. So go ahead and lie down, focus on your breath. I'll wake you when it's done. It's 30 quick minutes. If you want to be awake, you can be awake, but I highly recommend just lying down, eyes closed. You get more out of it. But if you decide to stay awake, do not drive a car or operate any heavy equipment. You may zone out, may have an out-of-body experience, something like that may happen. Don't want anything like that happen to you or anybody else, or you cause an accident because you listen to somebody play a gong. That'd be ridiculous. So be a responsible gong listener and just lie down and listen to it. It's what I recommend. I'm telling you, I've been listening for a while. It's changed my life. It can change your life. And honestly, if you just lie down and listen to it, then it will be changing your life, because you're doing something completely different than you've ever done before, if it's the first time you're ever doing it. So that is, those are some thoughts. So I'll start playing here in a moment. I'll wake you when it's done. It's 30 quick minutes. You'll know when it's done. I might have some moments of silence in there. It depends. But don't worry about waking yourself up. If your mind starts wandering, come back to your breath. Just focus on your breath. In through the nose, out through the nose, in through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the mouth, out through the mouth. However you want to breathe, just breathe. Just focus on your breath. That's all you got to do. It's really simple. Just breathe. Just breathe. I'll wake you when it's done. Thank you for giving this a go. Enjoy. Slowly bring your attention back to yourself. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Wiggling your fingers and toes and letting it all go. Take all the time that you need to come back into your body. Whatever stretches you need to do, roll your wrist, ankles, arms overhead, rock around, happy baby, yoga pose, knees into the chest, knees, legs straight up. Whatever you need to do to come back into your body, welcome yourself back into your body. Give yourself a moment of appreciation, gratitude for being in this body, this amazing ability to experience this life, this existence, this reality. So, anyway, I need to get this stuff done so I go to bed. Oh, that's real life talk. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. And if you'd like to share your experience below, feel free to do so. It may help other people remember what they experienced, help them jog their memory, and it's also good to share experiences because that's what I think will help us all evolve faster as humans. Our consciousness will rise together faster, will awaken faster if we share our experiences. That's what will happen. I'm pretty positive about that because we are nothing but a collection of experiences. So the more things we can learn about each other, the better we'll grow together faster, a better understanding. Starts with sharing. Sharing's caring. There's like the Care Bear stare thing a long time ago. I mean, we should be sharing. We should be sharing their story. I should be sharing my complete story. It's coming soon. I've been saying that for a long time, but it will happen. Because it's an amazing experience, everything, how it all ties together. Anyway, thank you for listening. 5 principles of Reiki. Think about those every single day. Helps me be me, helps me stay me. And those are: just for today, I will not anger. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I'll be grateful. Just for today, I will be kind to others. And just for today, I'll focus on my work. Those 5 things every single day. Think about those. Helps me stay me. Helps me also remember that all we have is today. That's all we have is today. This very moment, honestly. And now it's gone. That moment's gone. Never get it back. So live in the moment, be in the moment, plant seeds for the future, carve your steps for the future, paint your world the way you see it, be an artist, grab the brush, grab the paint, and create your life. You can do it, only limited by your thoughts. And if you have limitless thoughts, then you're unlimited, right? Limitless, whatever. You can go forever, you're magic. We're all magic, we're all these highly enlightened energy beings having a human experience. That's all we are, just having a human experience. And it's beautiful, so make it beautiful. Be beautiful, stay beautiful. Laugh more, love more, smile more. Love is the answer 100%. I love you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for spending these moments with me and letting me share the sounds with you. Thank you for listening to words. They just come in my mouth. Sometimes I don't even know where they come from. I just free flow words, just blah. So thank you for listening. Have a beautiful day. Another video coming tomorrow. This was video 251. 114 more to go to 365. Oh, countdown. Getting closer. Smile more. It's infectious. It'll help the world, really. It's really easy to do. You just go